2.8 miles. $7.11, 3.4 miles.
Didn't think I was gonna get this offer because it was one of those trip radars from Uber Eats, and even though I recorded it, after I recorded it and hit the match button, it just started spinning. I thought, oh, well, I'm not gonna get it, so I didn't even take a screen capture of the graphic. But you saw it in the previous clip where I was just at home reviewing stuff. But I guess there's just not a lot of people accepting offers at this particular Starbucks, because I was trying to figure out why are they sending a trip radar for an offer that's a decent offer, $2 a mile. Good morning. Be going to a house 5 minutes from here, 1.5 miles. Leave at the door.
Doordash $5.25, 5.5 miles. It's $3.06, 3.7 miles. $9 and a penny, 7.1 miles. $8, 7.2 miles. $44, 5.4 miles. $23, 1.2 miles.
To an apartment 0.7 miles from here, 3-minute drive, and it's a leave at the door. $7.61, 10.8 miles. $16, 5.2 miles. We're shopping for bakery French bread slice, a baguette French, some tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, Munster cheese slices, organic bulbs, pistachio, salumi Italian slice, mortadella with pistachios, organic white onion, organic living watercress, green jalapeno pepper, small green bell pepper, Zevia ginger ale soda, Zevia zero calorie cola soda, organic red plum Roma tomato, and Open Nature 100% natural ground turkey. pulling off to a house 6 minutes from here, 2.1 miles. It's a leave at the door, and we have a gate code. Going back over to Vaughn's, $14.17, 5.5 miles to shop for 10 items. Shopping for croissants, large 8 count, organic strawberries, pre-packed, Canada Dry soda, wheat thins, roasted chicken, some Oscar Mayer deli meat, some Fritos, milk, and 1 case of water. Busy today. We're gonna go to a house 3.2 miles from here, 7-minute drive, leave at the door. I don't know what's going on, but all the comments that I've been getting lately, they've all been negative. Maybe it's because the channel's starting to grow, so now I'm starting to attract the haters. But it's very comical, the things that people are posting. I won't mention any names or even say what they're saying, but it's very obvious that there's just people coming on here just to hate. $6.94, 4.3 miles. Well, I'm getting close to being at the $50 mark, so I probably have about, I think I have about maybe $7 or no, about $3 left to go, and I'm going to be done. And it's only 8:43 a.m. So it's been a pretty good day so far. Won't be accepting any more Vaughn's orders. The road to get back up into Vaughn's is so jammed because of construction that it's not worth it to try to even go up there. So if I see any offers, no matter how much they are, for Vaughn's, it's going to be a no.
$6, 5.5 miles. Streets, $13.04. 10 miles.
It's going to be the last one. We're heading off to Jollibee. $6.50 from Doordash. 3.2 miles. Back at home for almost an hour, and nothing was coming in that was any good. So I was just working on the video and putting all that together. This is going to be a really short video. I was just trying something a little bit different, where I was really just focused on the deliveries and the music and just the vibe.
You, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. God, issues in my head, like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a text. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
Headed off to a house 6 minutes from here, 2.1 miles. It's a leave at the door. I have a gate code and I have some directions to leave by the side gate of the house. I haven't heard anything from YouTube in regards to the music that I've been putting into my videos. I was trying to add a more of a variety of music into my videos, you know, venturing further into the library that YouTube offers for free. There's quite a bit of music that was questionable about whether or not it was really free or not. And I did a video, I put a video out yesterday's video, that experimented with some of those music files that I wasn't sure whether or not I'd have problems with, as far as revenue sharing or, you know, other complications where they tell you there's a problem with the videos as far as them being revenue generating. And it's been almost 48 hours now and I haven't heard anything, so it looks like I'll be able to use more music than what more of a variety of music that I've been putting into my videos than before. All right, well, I guess that sort of wraps up the day. I think overall today was a good day. Everything went pretty flawless. I don't think I ran into any type of major issues today. And I think my only concern today was traffic going northbound towards Anthem, and I didn't get any offers to have to go back there, so that worked out fine. And I always stayed pretty much in my neighborhood, so I never really had to drive very far today, which was really rare. And the weather was nice today. It stayed in the mid 90s, so it was a really comfortable temperature today. And yeah, everything went fine. I don't think I delivered to any real hard, difficult drop-offs. I never got stuck anywhere. So it was a really pretty much a flawless delivery day. Thank goodness. Oh, I did get a message from Doordash about missing drinks or something like that, but there was no penalty given to me. It was just a notification just letting me know that some customers had said they didn't get their drinks, and that was about it. That was about all that came of that situation. And I've had problems in the past where drinks weren't delivered on both Uber Eats and on Doordash, and so far I haven't received any problems. Any type of contract violations that I've ever received were usually due to, the customers just saying that they didn't get the order at all, not anything about missing drinks. So I don't know if anything, somebody said in the comments that you get penalized for missing drinks, but that's never happened to me, so I can't agree with that person because it hasn't happened to me. So, but if it does, I'll let you guys know. So that is it. So thank you all so much for watching once again, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye for now.